Welcome back to Aries Communication, your trusted source for the latest tech updates and smartphone innovations. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated flagships of 2026, the OnePlus 15. The OnePlus 15 continues OnePlus's elegant yet futuristic design language. It features a 6.82-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and peak brightness of 3000 nits. The screen delivers sharper colors, deeper blacks, and fluid motion, perfect for gaming, movies, or daily multitasking. The build includes Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection and an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, giving it both strength and style. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and console-level gaming performance. It runs on Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15, optimized for performance and battery efficiency. The new Hasselblad triple camera setup features a 50MP Sony LIT 808 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. On the front, there's a 32MP AI selfie camera that enhances portraits and low-light shots with precision. The OnePlus 15 supports 8K video recording at 30 fps and 4K at 120 fps, giving creators next-level versatility. Powering it all is a 5500 mAh dual-cell battery with 150W SuperVOOC charging, from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. It also supports 50W wireless charging and reverse charging for accessories. The device supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G dual SIM, and IP68 dust and water resistance. There's also an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo Dolby Atmos speakers, and AI-driven cooling optimization for sustained performance. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more tech updates and the latest unboxings every week. Wish you a lovely day.